Alright, so this is a fan that I recently got from Craigslist. It was from an estate sale. So what you're looking at here is a 48-inch new fan model N-101C. So this fan was in the kitchen and I took it down. They already had the ladder with them, and they also had a flathead screwdriver with them, so I was able to take it down myself. Came 100% complete, albeit the J-hook was left on the ceiling, which I should have taken it out, but I don't know why I did not bother to take out the J-hook. So this fan has a cast iron spinner motor, 4-blade only, single speed, which can be operated off of any control, but I think solid state would be best. And it's non-electrically reversible, it's just downdraft only. I have never gotten a spinner fan before, and this is the first time I ever got myself a spinner fan. This fan was manufactured by Viewfan. That was like prior to Viewfan's quality disintegrating. So I'll go ahead and show you the fan. It's quite heavy. I'll say that, but I'll just grab it by the nut. For some stupid reason, I was cleaning and ended up washing out the tag on it. Stupid me. This one says N-101C48. This one says N-101C. This one says N-101C, but you can't really see it. Stupid me. Yeah. Came with a long downrod. Has the new fan logo. Inside has a 3UF capacitor, but the original capacitor is drifting, so it is drifted at 2.12 UF, so that will have to be replaced. Bearings, spin this. Not that great. It has a little hissing noise, but I am thinking about changing out the bearings on this at some point. The ring sometimes likes to pop off, so I'm not sure if gluing it would be the best or putting epoxy, but probably not epoxy. But maybe double-sided tape, I don't know. The interesting fact about this fan is that this fan is like an adaptable. So I'll hold it by the downrod. So I'll go ahead and unscrew it. And there's two wires that come down to the shaft. And this is the first spinner fan I've got for myself. Another tidbit is the wiring. Put the camera down once again. So black is the hot that goes down to the fan motor. Yellow wire is actually served as the neutral. Usually it's white, but this one's neutral. Yellow is actually served for the neutral. And red is ground. Usually on most, if not all fans, we see green for ground, but this has red for ground. The blades, I think they're Teak or something, I don't know. Here's the other side. And there are rivets attached, so it's quite hard to get the blade badges and the blade arms off. So, yeah. So, that's about it. I don't know what year is this fan from, so I want to say circa 1980s. I'll know, someone can vouch. But that's about it with this new fan, N-101C spinner fan. This is my first spinner fan to enter my collection. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And maybe I'll possibly get a J-hook that I can attach directly to the box.